everyone and welcome to Eforia. This video is part of my Halloween series and today I'm gonna show you how I'm carving this year's pumpkin. But before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It really helps my small channel out a lot. Hope you're ready, now let's get started. This is the pumpkin that I've chosen for this year's pumpkin carving. I've decided to give this pumpkin a scary design. I hope this video will give you some inspiration for your pumpkin carving this year. Let's start off by making sure that the surface is completely dry. It was difficult to find a suitable pen for the task. You want a pen that's visible, but not one that bleeds or leaves marks outside the cutting lines. These lines are a little bit hard to see on camera, but you'll be able to see the full design at the end of the video. Before we start carving the pumpkin's face, we need to make an opening at the bottom. This will allow us to remove all the pulp and seeds, and it will also serve as the opening where we can place a candle so the pumpkin can glow beautifully in the dark. Please be careful when you do this step so you don't cut yourself. Now we have a perfect piece of pumpkin that we can use to create a platform for the candles. Now I'm gonna show you a real life hack. I'm using an electric hand mixer to loosen all of the pulp inside of the pumpkin. This makes it so much easier to remove the pulp inside. And now I'll just grab a large spoon to remove all the pulp and the seeds inside. Remember to save the seeds for later because you can make a really good snack with these. Just roast them in the oven with a little pinch of salt. Now let's begin the carving of the pumpkin's face. I'm using a sharp, small knife for this. And like before, remember to be real careful when you do this step so you don't cut yourself. I'm dividing the whole eye area up into smaller pieces. This makes it easier to remove the part of the pumpkin that is not supposed to be there. I'm always pushing the part of the pumpkin that I don't want to the inside of the pumpkin. This is to make sure that I don't ruin the outsides. Here I'm using a standard nail tool to carve the shape of the nostrils. I'm using the same technique to carve the mouth, dividing it up into pieces and pushing the pieces to the inside of the pumpkin. And here it is, my scary pumpkin design. Now let's cut off the pulp from the bottom part so we have somewhere to place our candles. And here is the result for this year's Halloween pumpkin. To add something extra to that scary look, I put on some fake blood on it, and I think this turned out really well. Thank you for watching this video with Eforia. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.